year, MPPSC releases hundreds of vacancies for recruitment drive that is carried out all over India. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Siri and we at Youth for Work have come up with this video to bring awareness amongst the 21st century geniuses of the exams that the state of Madhya Pradesh conducts to recruit future bureaucrats. The nature of jobs will vary from administrative level to technical level, and each job requires certain eligibility criteria. MPPSC has declared the schedule for three major exams: MP State Service Exam, MP State Forest Service Exam, and MP State Engineering Service Exam. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for this exam. Candidates must have a graduation degree in any stream from a recognized institute, college or university. The candidate nationality must be Indian. The age limit is a minimum of 21 years and a maximum of 28 years. Application fee. The application fee for the general category is 800, for the OBC, SC or ST is 400. And these include portal charges of Rs 100 and correction charge of Rs 50. There are three levels in this examination. These are preliminary exam, main examination and personal interview. Let us first talk about the preliminary exam. This exam has two papers in it. Paper 1, it is general studies of 2 hours for 200 marks with 100 questions. Paper 2 is general aptitude test of 2 hours for 200 marks with 100 questions. All questions are mandatory with no negative marking criteria. Questions asked are multiple choice questions. You need to achieve a minimum of 40% to qualify for the main exams. Now comes the main exams. There are 7 papers in the main exam and essay is also part of it. Paper 1 is General Studies 1 of 3 hours for 300 marks. Paper 2 is General Studies 2 of 3 hours for 300 marks. Paper 3 is General Studies 3 of 3 hours for 300 marks. Paper 4 is General Studies 4 of 3 hours for 200 marks. Paper 5 is General Hindi of 3 hours for 200 marks. Paper 6 is Hindi essay writing of 2 hours for 100 marks. The 7th exam is the interview. Each candidate needs to have secured at least 33% marks in both prelims and mains to be eligible for the final interview, whereas reserved candidates need to secure only 23% marks. The interview round will be of 175 marks. Here are some tips and tricks for the clearance of your exam. The candidate should work in a smart manner as to gain their seat in this examination. The candidate must improve their speed for the examination. Attempt those questions first which you are sure of. Then attempt those in which you have a doubt. Read newspaper daily so that your English improves day by day and you can gain general knowledge from it. Must practice tests for your weakness and strength. For that, I recommend the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work.